Hey guys, this is Jubilant James. Um, are you actually looking for a business you can do from home? An opportunity you can start doing right from the comfort of your bedroom, and you'll be making some reasonable sum of money, six figure to seven figure on monthly basis, working with your smartphone and probably with your laptop. If this is what you're actually looking for, then this video is actually for you. And of course, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, you've not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe, and also don't forget to hit the notification button so that you can always get notification each time I drop a video. Alright, in this video today, I'm going to be showing you one of the best business you can actually leverage on, okay, right now, and it's called affiliate marketing. It's affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? This is Google. Okay, if you go to Google and type what is affiliate marketing, you get questions, and this is what affiliate marketing is in a layman and in the simplest definition. Affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting other people's or company's products. You find a product you like, promote it to others, and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. So it's assuming you see a company online that is selling a product, and you pick up that product, run advert on it, and make sales and get paid commission by the company. That is actually affiliate marketing. So I'm going to be showing you there are several things or several affiliate marketing network or programs out there that can actually pay you 30, 50, 40 to even 70% commission for every sales you make. All right. So, but for you to actually start up this business, there are requirements. There are things you need to actually put in place, or so that you can actually succeed in this business. Okay. And one of those things is your valid email address. Your valid email address. It could be Gmail, it could be Hotmail, it could be Yahoo Mail, but it must be a valid email address that you have access to. All right. You need a Facebook account. Yes, you need a Facebook account because you need to be running Facebook ads so you could sell this product. Okay, so affiliate marketing has already taken the stress of you creating your own product. So all you need to do is just look for a company, sign up as an affiliate with them, and promote digital physical product and get paid commission. Right, so you need your Facebook ad because Facebook ad is one of the ways you can sell your product. It's one of the ways you can actually sell your product. Okay, then the next thing you need is your PayPal account, and of course your Naira Bank account. Yes, so because I'm going to be showing you now different affiliate programs, both the ones that pays you in Naira and the ones that pay you in dollars, that you will need a PayPal account to cash out your money in dollars, and the ones that pay you in Naira will definitely pay into your Naira account. So you need both accounts, your PayPal account and your Naira Bank account. So if you don't have any of these, you need to actually get them ready. Then you need affiliate network accounts like your JVZoo. These are affiliate programs. This is JVZoo affiliate programs. I will be talking about them as we proceed in this series. Okay, this is your Warrior Plus. So I'll be talking about, these are all affiliate programs that you can actually partner with and earn money from them. And this is your ClickBank. Okay, this is your ClickBank. And of course, some of these companies don't accept some countries. Okay, example, ClickBank don't accept Nigeria, Amazon don't accept Nigerian affiliates. Okay, but JVs accept Nigeria, and other ones too that I'm going to be sharing with us in this video today. So basically, you have the ClickBank. I don't know, my network is hanging. Okay, so you have your ClickBank. Here's your ClickBank is coming up, and of course you have your Amazon too. It's coming up. Network is delaying it. So this is your ClickBank affiliates. Okay, so you can, these are affiliate networks. So you need to have accounts. So, but basically in this video, I'm going to be showing you the one you can actually start immediately, and of course, you know, your Amazon. Okay, so but the one I want to concentrate today is your Expertnaire. Okay, your Expertnaire is a Nigerian-based affiliate company. You can see the Expertnaire, and you need to for you to log in, you have the affiliate login. Now, but one thing about Expertnaire is this: Expertnaire only deals on high-value digital products from top experts. Top experts in the sense that these are experts in the industry here in Nigeria who are actually doing very well in those different industries that have come, prepared this product, and they are selling it on this platform. Now, one good thing about this platform is this: every product you see on this platform has been tested, proven. It's not gimmicks, it's not guesswork, it's not something anybody just pick from anywhere and brings on board. No, these are program courses that people have actually that have been tested before it will be approved to be marketed on this platform. So it's not like how sure are the product. These are high value digital products. Okay, so that is actually what Expertnaire is. And let me also tell you, Expertnaire offers her members the opportunity to earn up to 50% affiliate commission, meaning that if you sell a product on Expertnaire that was 20,000, instantly you are making 10,000. So I'm going to be also show you that how you can actually make 150 to 200,000 to 400,000 every month through this program. Now, but the different or the requirements here, and I mentioned about JVZoo, ClickBank, Warrior Plus. The next requirement you actually need is email autoresponder. You need your email autoresponder. That means you need your email marketing campaign set up, because you sell from Facebook ad, you also sell or using through your email marketing. So, well, now Expertnaire has a registration fee. Okay, some affiliate programs requires registration fee. As you can see here, registration fee is 10,000 every year. So every year we expect to pay 10,000 naira to be a part of this affiliate program, where you can promote high ticket value digital products and earn up to 50% commission of the cost of this product. But then there are two ways you can register in this product. I'm going to show you the second way. The second way is through the program we call the 72-hour income generator. I'm going to show you, this is the 72-hour income generator. This is the cost of the 72-hour income generator. Okay, you can sign up here with 30,000. Is either you go with 10,000 every year. Okay, that is, you choose this method if you already know how to run your Facebook ad, how to set up your sales page, how to set up your email autoresponder, how to build your mailing list and all that. Okay, if you know how to do all of this, then you just follow this step and sign up. But if you don't know how to do all of these things I mentioned, how to set up your email campaign, build your email list, run comfortable Facebook ad, how to set up your sales page, and everything you need to succeed in affiliate marketing generally, not just for this platform but other affiliate marketing programs you'll be promoting, then you need to come in through this 72-hour income generator program, where you get, these are what you get. Okay, if you come on board with this 30,000, okay, you are going to get how to engineer a 72-hour income program, which was 100,000. Okay, this include how to set up your email, your sales page, your Facebook ad, everything that you need to succeed in affiliate marketing generally, not just on Expertnaire, okay, valued for 100,000, and you will have 2 years access, which was 20,000. Of course, I told you here, you can see here, yearly access is 10,000. Now, but with this 30,000 registration offer, you are having 2 years access plus all of these things that was on over 100,000. Then you also have web design, web page design, video training, and page templates. You can imagine that. Okay, so you have access to this that was 30,000. Then you have full campaign for 3 of the hottest selling products on Expertnaire. So you have full campaign for the 3 hottest selling products on Expertnaire, where you would start selling your product immediately, and the total value you get is 450,000. The total value, and you are spending only 30,000 naira. Now let's do small maths. Okay, let's do small maths. Let's assume let's just assume that you are selling a product worth let's say 30,000. Okay, 30,000, and remember you are earning 50% commission. That means divide by 2, you are getting how much? 15,000. Let's assume by the time you are done with all this training, all the courses you gain from signing up with this 30,000, and you are able to sell 10 of these. You're able to sell 10 of these in 1 week. That means you've made 150,000 naira a week. But let's assume you are lazy. You are lazy, very lazy, and you do this in 1 month. That means extra 150,000 naira for you in the month. Okay, so that is actually what this program offers you, and of course, this gives you the opportunity to earn much money. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to drop the link of this particular program, this particular sign up, so you can sign up with 30,000. Believe you me, if you sign up with this, it comes with a full package, because you get all the necessary softwares, tools, trainings that you need to succeed in affiliate marketing. Believe you me, that is why I'm actually recommending this, because you are going to gain a whole lot. You are going to gain a whole lot. Both setting up your email campaign, your sales page, running Facebook ad, you actually gain a whole lot. Not just these things I mentioned. There are a whole lot of other privileges, opportunities, benefits I didn't mention. Alright, so I'm going to drop the link below this video. You see the link, you sign up with the link. Now, I've actually created just to help those that will join, start this program through me. Okay, I've created a Telegram group where I will actually be mentoring or guiding or giving tips on how you can succeed in affiliate marketing. So if you're able to sign up with this 30,000 package, you just alert me and let me know that you sign up. I will add you to my own Telegram group where I will be coaching you and giving you direct guidance on how you can actually do this business and succeed. Alright, so that is part of what I'm going to do. So I'm going to give you extra help, guidance while you are on the go, while you are learning this business. Now let's just assume you spend 30,000 naira and join this program. Believe you me, by the time you do 2 sales, there are products here, there are niches there that you can sell 2 products. There are products there you can sell 2, just to get back this 30,000 naira, and the rest will be profit for the whole 1-2 years you are going to be in the program. Okay, so this is an opportunity you should not joke with. You should not joke with this opportunity. Okay, so you can imagine you selling and making average of 150, 200, 300,000. Just imagine selling product worth 30,000, 20 in a month, 20 in a month, and you are getting 20 means 600,000. 600,000, and you are making 50%. That's 300,000 every month. 300,000 every month. You can imagine that. Yeah. So this is actually what I'm going to tell you. So do well. Like I said, signing up with this program would give you access to join my Telegram group, where I will guide you directly one-on-one, and you have access to ask me questions directly regarding Expertnaire. Remember, in my coming video, I will talk about the other affiliate programs like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Amazon, Clickbank, and the rest of them that you can actually make reasonable amount of money from too. Now, let's just assume you sign up with Expertnaire and maybe all these other ones that I will still show you the processes on how to go about them and guide you in my Telegram group, because once you join this one and you are in my Telegram group, you get other benefits. Okay, so just let's assume from Expertnaire, JVZoo, and other ones that I will be bringing up their content later on, and you are making, let's say, 150,000, 300,000 from Expertnaire, and you are making from Amazon, Clickbank, JVZoo, and making $1,000 from there. That's close to 600,000 naira every month. And so this is what you can actually achieve being an affiliate marketer, working from home with your PC and smartphone. Okay, so there's no gimmicks in this thing. All right, so I will drop the link of this program in the description page of this video, so you come on board. Let's do this business, and you're gonna make something cool out of it. Okay, so in case you're coming across my channel once again, do well to subscribe, hit the notification button. Okay, and don't forget to share this video